Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another video. This video today, let me take you back to the memory. I had to grab these iPods that were fixed, so I have to explain about them a little bit. I'm taking you back to the 2005, whereby Apple just got in touch with the iPod. I mean, this is not the first generation of iPod, but this is the fourth generation of iPod. Now, back then, striving with this kind of device, it's something which is very dramatic and amazing. And a lot of people they were like, "Oh, Lee, can I just get something like that? Like, I want to go outside, I'll have my iPod. I want to go to a bath, I'll have my iPod." iPod have been a little bit like for a long run till right now. I'm talking iPod still are great, though we know that smartphone came and the journey of smartphone is not that much legit, but when it comes to iPods, it's very legitimate because iPod workflow is legit because you're sticking to the task. What I'm talking about here is that when you're having a smartphone though a smartphone gives you the same fluidity as iPod, but it's more advanced than an iPod, because we know that iPod just gives you a flavor of music and none of that. Like, it can be out of the box than that one. So when it comes to comparison between an iPhone or a smartphone with an iPad or iPod, there's a big difference. iPod for back in the days, but something which surprisingly surprises me is their storage. Well, this iPod has a 160GB of storage. Man, it's huge. 160. This one has 80GB of storage, and still when you look at it, it may reflect and you may not see anything, but in a real sense, this is a legitimate stuff. Because back in the days, having a 160GB, man, it was like, whew, so hectic. Now this is the iPod Classic. No, it doesn't power up, guys. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm a little bit explaining it. So this iPod is very great when it comes to enhancement of hand. Actually, as you can see, there's a big comparison between holding an iPod and holding a phone. I know you may ask yourself, that's normal, but there's a big difference here. And when you watch the Apple WWDC, they didn't announce anything about iPod, or they didn't announce anything about hardware. But that's not something which is much bigger. But let us just stick with our video. This is the iPod Classic. Got the earphone jack right here, which is very great. Another kind of stuff you gotta hold when you're listening to the music. You don't want to interact with the button, you can just hold. As you can see, it turns out to be normal here. When it turns out to be here, it becomes orange, which is great. Another kind of stuff upon the iPod which got me like, woo, it supports iTunes. Now you may ask yourself, what is iTunes? iTunes is a software for iPhone or Apple or all those Apple devices. That's a software of it which you can just put music on here and you just groove on the beat. That's what's up. So this is the iPod Classic, which is very legitimate, and I really appreciate it, and it's great to my aspect. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, throw that thumbs up. If you dislike this video, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts and another kind of stuff. If you didn't subscribe, make sure that you subscribe on my YouTube channel, because we're about to hit that 1,000 subscribers. And another kind of stuff, yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.